Hi everybody, this is Nick from Robo-Serve, and today we're going to be looking at the Abir X8. It's the lid-on machine, so it's basically got a laser on top. Alright, so I'm going to make this one quite quick. Comes with the instruction manual on top. Please, with a machine like this, it's always a good idea to read the instruction manual first. Okay, the actual machine. So it comes in a plastic bag. Okay, comes with this protective yellow foam strip that you need to take out. Okay, when it ships, it also ships with the water tank. I always suggest that you start the machine off with the dustbin, okay, attachment. I'll show you how to put that together now. Okay, comes with two pairs, a right and a left front sweepers. Just make sure when you do put them on that you look at the underneath. So let me just show you. The underneath actually shows an L for left and an R for right. Also, it comes with a cleaner to clean the middle roller, so you can just sort of clean the dust. It's got a little blade there, so you can kind of run that over the roller just to take out or sort of detach the piece of twine that might have got stuck underneath the machine, and that's also just to sort of grab all that hair that collects underneath. Comes with an extra mopping pad. Okay, when the one's in the wash, you can put this one on. Okay, this just attaches by a bit of Velcro at the bottom. Also comes with an extra HEPA filter, charging dock, the connecting cable for the charging dock. Keep in mind just one thing while we're looking at the charging docks: you can plug this into the actual charging dock, or you can actually plug it into the machine. You know, if you're traveling, you don't want to take the charging dock with you, you can actually just charge it there. And then the dustbin, show you how to go put this together. So here's the attachment. So look underneath, there's sort of two sort of locating bars and the actual clips at the bottom here. You just push those in. You are going to have to use a little bit of force to get them to clip in. There you go. Okay, and then you're just going to clip it in and clip at the top as well. Alright. In terms of the top here, you've got the HEPA filter. I'll just quickly show you that. So this is the container for the HEPA filter. This is the actual HEPA filter. So what you can do is you can run this under water just to sort of clean it. This you can't. So just when you do run water over this, just leave it out to dry. It must be completely dry. Otherwise the dirt and dust actually cakes on top here, and you won't get the same performance out of the machine. When you put it back, there is a locating channel here. Okay, so just look for the little piece that sticks out, and you're going to push that in and put it into the locating channel there. Close that up. Alright, putting it into the machine, you're just going to pull down the clip. Okay, and there you go. Alright, in terms of putting the front sweepers on, I'm looking at the left, putting the L into the left side. There we go. Make sure it clips in. Hear the click noise. R. Okay. There we go. Alright. Then, one thing I didn't mention is it works on the app, but it also comes with a remote. So if you prefer to use a remote as opposed to an app, maybe you've got a whole bunch of apps on your phone, you'd rather use a remote, it does come with one that has pretty much a lot of the functions. So you've got the normal clean, stop start, you can control it like a remote control car, the power, the suction power, edge cleaning and spot clean. Alright, so that's all we're going to cover for today.